Try and get your shadow out the way. Yeah. We've got a jellyfish. Pretty big jellyfish.
There's a jellyfish in our net.
You can see its shadow. Hi, Yasmin.
Hi, Ines.
Hi, Ines. Like, we were just shell hunting in the shallow
The
waters.
tentacles are not so long. No. Like it's young. Oh. It's right here. I've lost it. Oh, there it is.
No, look, keep looking for its shadow. That's how you find
Yeah,
it.
the little round. Yeah, but I can't even see. I know.
Come